Hello, how are you? It's Marcus. I am here to help you and to guide you into a bright, optimistic future. Basically, you can sell your skill or knowledge about anything. It can be football, trading, stocks, knitting. Every skill or knowledge inside of you, you can sell it as an info product and charge high prices for that. What you have to do? First, create a niche. Start creating YouTube videos about that niche, about what you are going to sell to others, your offer. Start creating YouTube videos about that. Second step is attracting your clients. Convert your views into clients. How you do this? First, you start creating YouTube videos, and once your clients watch your videos, they will book a call inside your website. So create a website without a point build. Easy. Your clients will go to the website and book a call with you where you can talk with them and see what type of help they need. After that, after the sales call, you close the sale. I recommend a book to you, The Art of Closing the Sale. It's perfect, it's magical. You can be an 8, you can be a 7, you don't have to be a 10. Your videos, do it like this, easy. Don't make like Mr. Beast videos. We are here for the money, we are here to help. We are not YouTubers. But use the system in your favor. Use YouTube that allow us to expose ourselves and help the more people.